Hi, good evening, guys. My name is Siddhant Sononi. Today's bio topic is today's date is 19th January 2023. Today's bio topic is sets and maps in Java. So basically, this is a part of collection framework. Map is not a part of collection framework. Set is a part of collection framework. So basically, as you know, for the store of sequential data at the same in the one object, we can use array. But the drawback of array is suppose we want to add the drawback of array is the size. Array could not provide us a dynamic size of array. So for that, for overcome that drawback, Java introduced array list. By using array list, we can use a dynamic size of array, and the size of array is growing at a runtime. That means at initialization. So basically, array list overcome the drawback and provide us fastest execution of program. But there is some drawback of array list, that is suppose we want to add some element at 2 position. Then we have array of 100 elements. Then we want to right shift the 98 element at right shift at 1 position, right shift at 1, and then add the element at 2 positions. And also if we want to remove a second position of array list, then we need to all over 98 position at a left shift, 1 left shift, and then we can remove that array list. So for that drawback overcome, array list introduce linked list. So in linked list does not use internal array. It is use doubly linked list for storing an objects. And in linked list, it is very fast to add or remove some element. That means array list is fast for searching. That means set and get element, and linked list is very fast add and remove element. But linked list have very slow at searching elements. So for that drawback, for overcome that drawback, Java includes link sets. So basically, in a set, we can store data at we can use in a set. We can store data at as suppose we want to add. We can take a data and multiply in that data from the length of array. We can take array of linked list. We can take array of linked list, and we can multiply the data by array size, and the remainder will be our index, and we can store that data in that specific index of that array. So basically, for that function, it is very it's make searching much faster. So basically, but in the asset, the asset does not follow the insertion order. That means suppose we can add 5, 20, 5, 12, 5, 7, 9, and 11. Then it is not it is print of that remainer's index. It is not follow the insertion order. For that reason, Java introduced link hash map set. So basically, in the link hash map set, we can store data as in the link, and we can take a link array, and in that array we can store the data, but we can also take a reference of that data in the linked list also. That means we can store one object reference in a link in a hash set also, and in linked list also. And for that reason, suppose we want to search some element, then we can go to the linked hash table, and we can search that element by using their remainder index. And suppose we want to print that hash link set, Then we can use linked list for printing that elements, and it is follow the insertion order. So basically, in for that hash set also has some drawback. That means that drawback is, suppose we want to add one element and one string in one integer and one string value in the object. So for that reason, Java introduced map. In the map, we can store integer as a key and value as a string. And suppose we want to create some database of RTO numbers, just like MH12 for Pune, MH20 for Aurangabad, MH21 for Jalna, MH23 for Bid. And for in that scenario, we want to store that RTO number as a key and the name of that city as a value. So, and map provides that facility to add both of strings, add both of elements in the objects, and we can store, but and it is in a for hash map and hash set and map set and maps. Thank you so much. It is a very good video about all time. Thank you so much. Bye. Good night. Shabakir.